I have a red ball. I have a red ball. The dog is very big. The dog is very big. The cat is on the bed. The cat is on the bed. I like to eat rice. I like to eat rice. She has a blue dress. She has a blue dress. I drink milk every day. I drink milk every day. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. My bag is very heavy. My bag is very heavy. She writes in her notebook. She writes in her notebook. I open the door slowly. I open the door slowly. He is playing with a toy. He is playing with a toy. He is my good friend. He is my good friend. The baby is sleeping now. The baby is sleeping now. We go to school daily. We go to school daily. The boy is riding a bicycle. The boy is riding a bicycle. I wear clean clothes every day. I wear clean clothes every day. I carry my school bag. I carry my school bag. The girl is drawing a picture. The girl is drawing a picture. We eat lunch together. We eat lunch together. The apple is sweet and red. The apple is sweet and red. I drink water after playing. I drink water after playing. We sit in the classroom. We sit in the classroom. The bird can fly high. The bird can fly high. The sun rises in the morning. The sun rises in the morning. I clean my room every day. I clean my room every day. I wash my hands before eating. I wash my hands before eating. We are buying snacks. We are buying snacks. I close the window at night. I close the window at night. The teacher is kind to us. The teacher is kind to us. We are standing together. We are standing together. I'm behind you. I'm behind you. We stand in a line. We stand in a line. We're standing with our back turned. We're standing with our back turned.